So I asked a Japanese before, why does the cherry blossom bloom so shortly? And then he told me, yeah, of course, beautiful things never last. Here in Auburn. How much is the ticket?
12.50.
400 pesos. To see grass and trees. Here goes nothing. Every year during mid-August, Sydney's Cherry Blossom Festival is held. They showcase food, flowers, and Japan's culture in general. This is a 9-day ticketed event. There are different themes and specific days, so make sure to pick the right one that suits you. As for us, well, it was a Sunday, so what did we expect? Tons of people spending their offs like us. So, who are we to complain? Well, you can never be hungry or thirsty if you didn't bring your own snacks, because there are heaps of food trucks everywhere. Anyway, enough about that. Bring out the cherry blossoms!
Middle of the park, you need to move. Move to the side to take photos, please. Do not stop in the middle of the park.
It's like a 3-second glory. This is crazy. I'm not coming again. Yes, actually, that was it. A bit disappointing not seeing them in actual bloom since they're almost close to withering. I've seen real cherry blossoms back in Japan and they're really pretty. Not even close to what we just saw. Oh well, this is a short visit, so might as well smell the other roses. Everyone's just taking photos. And it's so difficult to control traffic.
sorry.
It's fine. We did not eat in other food trucks because of the long lines too, except for this one. I just had to try this big ass cotton candy myself, or as they call it here, the fairy floss. Had to get me a perfect props for my IG photo since the cherry blossom trail failed me big time. It is actually so big that even GoPro finds it difficult to fit in the frame. Alright, so I'm gonna find a perfect spot for an IG photo. Thank you so much for watching. I had to eat all of this before it totally melts. And yes, I finished everything in case you're wondering. I still recommend you to visit this festival next year to see what has changed. The cherry blossoms may not be the best highlight of your visit, but it's who you spend the experience with. I'll see you next time.